this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update all your games on your Xbox. So you can see all these games right here, and I can press update. Now, if you go to the home screen here, if you have automatic updates turned on, it should automatically update your game. So what we want to do is go to settings, go to general, and go to power options, and then set it to sleep mode so we can download our games and updates when it's in sleep. And then we can go to customize power options. And just make sure this is checkmarked, keep my console and my games up to date right here. So if something happens, it will update the game. Now if you go back to the home screen here, the games that you play, the recent ones, within the last 20 days, if you don't play the game within 28 days, I believe, it's not going to automatically update them. So some of these games are a little bit older that I haven't played, those won't be updated. So what I want to do is go to My Games and Apps, and then go to See All, scroll on down to Manage, and you can see I have 8 updates. I need to go to Updates right here, and then go to Update All, and I can start updating all my games at once. So let's go to Update right here. Just make sure you have enough free space available. And now this will be sent to my queue. So you can see Halo Infinite is downloading.